What's up, everybody? Arty 84 here from the Wicked Explorers, and we are live in Somerville, Massachusetts, of what used to be the Assembly Square Mall, what has now been repurposed into several other big box stores. But at one time, what we're looking at right now was an indoor shopping mall, and there's a Kmart, or the remains of a Kmart right there. That was actually originally part of the mall, and is the only part that's there that still was part of the mall. And you can see above the glass that's above up there, that was the interior of the mall. They call it the Assembly Square Mall because there was once an assembly plant for cars. I think AMC, American Motor Company, actually was here. So that is what was there in the past, and now this is what has become this massive project here, Assembly Square. Lots of buildings, lots of stores, and we're gonna kind of walk around real quick and take a look at this. Back in the day, this was all vacant. There was a place called Good Times located over there, and this was all open parking lot, and there was not much here. And then one day they decided we're gonna change this around. So let's go explore the Assembly Square Center, I guess. At the time of this video, it is Tuesday, July 6th, and we're just gonna kind of stroll around and walk around some of these areas. There's a lot of restaurants, a lot of stores. They added apartments here, and there's actually a hotel as well. We've eaten here several times and shopped here multiple times as well. But they keep on building. They have maybe a couple more structures left to construct, and they also put a train station in for people to access to get the bus. Down the end of the street, there's actually a hospital they built right there. They added these big, giant, wide sidewalks for people to walk, sit, live. These are all apartments above. It's kind of like a small downtown city, any city, essentially. We're gonna walk down here a little bit. There's some restaurants, there's a Lego center. A lot of stuff going on here at Assembly Square. Parking structure, look at all these apartments. There's thousands and thousands of apartments there. Looks like I got sidetracked a little bit. We went to the Lego store. I didn't realize it was a full-blown Lego store at the Lego Discovery Center, but they had a lot of Legos in there that you can't get at the Lego store. So if you are a Lego fan like me and you're looking for a set that's kind of been sold out, check out the Lego Discovery Center. Here's another shot. Oh, the wind is pretty bad. So you can't hit the wind. There's this main route right there. And here's the hotel, the Row, which people are staying at these days. This is all new construction going on over here. That vacant lot right there with those containers are actually going to be building something there. That won't be vacant for very long, but that's the last piece of development. Get the apartments under there. We get some restaurants. It looks like today's the grand open of the Shake Shack that is open down here. This building is built, this one is the newest of the building right here. Down over there at Cafe Nero, Smokehouse Barbecue, hospital in the background. I'm gonna walk around and show you the train station they built. And there's the hotel again right there, Assembly Row. I've only ate at a Shake Shack once, but my new keto diet, I think it's kind of hard because I can't have bread, so I would have to really manhandle the hamburger to make it worth the while, I guess. But on my cheat day, maybe I'll check it out. I do like a good hamburger, I really do. But I'm gonna walk over here and show you the train station. Then I'm gonna show you my the area where I go all the time because my bank's over here. But then there's also a cafe over there, which is really nice. So across the train tracks over there is the new casino, the Encore. Rumor has it they're gonna be developing some kind of bridge to connect the casino to this area because there's the commuter rail track behind it. I'm not quite sure. I haven't really seen anything documented or stories, but it would be a good idea if you can connect the casino to here to help shoppers go and spread their money that they win at the casino and bring some life over here. See what happens. All right, this is the Assembly Square Station. It's opened about 4 years ago, give or take. Now, before this train station was opened, this wasn't here. It just went from Wellington to Sullivan Square, so they actually inserted this station in the middle of the line. Here's a map of Boston. We are on the North Shore up there, Assembly Row. So it's very convenient for the people who live here. Brand new station, very, very nice. Been here a few times, very modern. Yeah. There you go, Assembly Station. This is one side of it, there's another opening over there. There's a map of this bridge that carries you across the street to the main train station right there. Notice the angle of the hospital, and you see these guys are working very hard to get these apartments complete. Lots and lots of apartments. being built here. So for those who don't know, Somerville, Massachusetts, where we're in right now, is the most densely populated city in the country. So there's more people live per square mile in the city than anywhere in the country. And there's the commuter rail over there, that going by the casino. That goes right into Boston. And there's this nice walking path they developed along the train tracks that takes you to Charlestown, Boston. And yeah, we're gonna go to my bank, which also has a Pete's Coffee in it, to grab a coffee. And then we're gonna head back to the car and conclude this video. There's that brand new construction down the street over there. It's every day. More and more building. They actually just cleaned this up. This is all closed off for a period of time. It's finally done. Train station, we're almost done. I think they're about 90% of the way there. Completion. It's massive hospital right there. So they set up this, I'm assuming it's a temporary art exhibit here. Because all this is going to be a building someday. For the time being, you know, all these places put their outdoor seating, which is a road that they just closed down. And come on here and sit, have your lunch. In fact, basically, I used to have a brewery over there. I used to be able to sit out there and hang out. Yeah, it looks like they got something going on over there now, but I don't think all this is permanent. In fact, I think it's gonna probably be away. They also got some steel structures around here like that to represent the assembly of, I believe, this town. In the, I don't know the exact history of it. I know that they put those iron structures up to kind of remember the assembly square mall, car plants, and everything that was built here in the city, which is kind of cool. These giant flower, they're actually solar panels, believe it or not, which is pretty cool as well. So it looks like Night Shift. Let's see, the Owl's Nest Night Shift Brewery has a temporary spot there to drink. So, and there's a better view of the hotel right there as well. So I'm gonna start walking back towards the vehicle, and we're gonna take a quick peek to our left over here into this vacant lot. And this is essentially which they're going to be adding more buildings, another block of buildings, if you will. I assume will be being built here in this massive lot. And they use it to, you know, temporary structures or whatnot. They had a temporary brewery here. They took it down when they built, you know, stuff over there. But then COVID hit and you really couldn't have that stuff going on. But now it looks like it's coming back for the summer. This will be good for everyone. Good times. This is going to be quite impressive once it's all built. So I got my beverage at the Pete's Coffee, my latte, and I'm going to head back to the car here. It's a hot day. It's starting to get muggy. It was kind of crappy out this morning, but now it's getting into the 70s. It's supposed to get a lot hotter. So I'm going to go enjoy my coffee, grab some lunch, call it a day. So thank you guys for watching. Remember, as always, please subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll talk to you guys later. Bye. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and click the alarm so whenever you get notification, we get new ones. See you later. Bye.